Imagine a world where you never go shopping again. Everything you need, or want, or desire finds you. A world where retailers know you better than you know yourself. Your digital wardrobe updates itself based on your calendar, and your fridge auto-replenishes before you notice it's low. This is the imminent future of retail, the anticipation era. Retail is no longer about visibility or convenience. It's about intuition at scale. The smartest won't just respond to needs, they'll preempt them. We're moving from hyper-personalization to hyper-immersion. Retail experiences will blur into culture, fueled by real-time narrative engines, AI that scripts brand stories live, based on customers' context and preferences. Stores will host holographic influencers, live NFT drops, and co-creation spaces where products evolve with the crowd. And customers? They are now live personas with digital identities that move fluidly across channels, expecting retail to respond to their real-time mood, biometrics, and behavior. They are mainly brand agnostic and impatient, prioritizing value over loyalty. What matters is resonance, immediacy, and purpose. The traditional mid-market is eroding as shoppers oscillate between luxury splurges and budget-friendly finds. Physical and digital? That distinction disappears. Retailers are developing the everywhere stores concept, not just spaces, but ecosystems. Kitchen counters, entertainment devices, even bathrooms' digital mirrors. Every surface becomes a store. Every moment, a potential transaction. Powered by ambient commerce, retail becomes invisible and integrated into the rhythms of our lives. Let's talk tech. Blockchain won't just track origins. It will enable programmable products. Shoes that can change color based on one's location. Or smart clothing with health monitoring devices that adjusts fit based on body temperature. Neurocommerce will track emotional responses via microchips implants, adjusting lighting and product displays to mirror your mood. Digital twins will test offers, experiences, and even emotions in simulation before anything reaches the real customer. This not only enhances the experience, but also provides brands with the agility to adapt to change. Yet, the most disruptive shift of all? Retailers have a new untapped business opportunity to monetize their data, traffic, and reputation, creating entirely new, high-margin revenue streams. This is the business model of the future. Not selling more stuff, but monetizing attention. The future demands boldness. It demands fluid infrastructures, ethical algorithms, and a rethinking of the workforce. The future won't be transactional. It will be emotional, creative, augmented by AI, and re-skilled to deliver artistry, empathy, and storytelling. Retail is no longer a destination, it's a dimension. How will you matter in the everyday lives of people who think of shopping as an experience? The future of retail doesn't belong to the biggest. It belongs to the boldest. Are you ready?